Changing your Gmail password is a straightforward process that helps keep your account secure. Follow these steps to update your password. Step 1. Sign into Gmail. Open your web browser and go to the Gmail website. Enter your email address and current password to log into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or the initial in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Manage your Google account. Step 3. Navigate to Security. In the Google account settings, find and click on the Security tab located on the left sidebar. The section contains various security settings for your account. Step 4. Change password. Scroll down to the Signing into Google section. Click on Password. You will be prompted to enter your current password again for verification. After that, enter your new password and confirm it. Step 5. Save changes. Once you have entered and confirmed your new password, click the Change Password button to save your changes. You will receive a confirmation that your password has been updated. By following these steps, you can successfully change your Gmail password and enhance your account's security. Remember to use a strong and unique password for better protection.